Every summer, millions of salmon swim along the coast of southwest Alaska. Fish plays a central role for all northern wildlife, as it does for grizzlies. The bears eat almost only fish for weeks at a time. Much to the delight of the Arctic ground squirrels, the grizzlies often eat only the fillet pieces and leave the rest. It's a lot of fish for a little squirrel. But the younger generation are on their feet right nearby. And one of them is always hungry. The young animal has never seen a fish. He doesn't seem too convinced. Mother squirrel must first show Junior the right opening. After a hesitant sampling, the young squirrel quickly develops a taste for it and discovers the grizzly in himself. The feast is discovered, and the second offspring doesn't hesitate for long. Food envy sets in, and the two of them finally take turns satisfying their ravenous hunger. Where food is rare, you can't afford to be picky. A principle that safeguards the survival of many squirrel species in barren landscapes.
It's a merciless, arduous journey. And at the end of it lurks a new and unforeseen threat. One would expect to see scenes like this further south, with grizzlies and salmon. Polar bears differ from their brown-furred relatives. For one thing, they're clumsier. This thawed-out alien landscape forces the polar bears to develop completely new hunting skills. Most attempts fail, but sometimes one gets lucky. Polar bears have hardly ever been observed, let alone filmed while fishing. Maybe this is the future of the world's largest land predator. But nobody can tell whether the animals will be able to find enough food, as the periods without ice grow longer and longer.